Okay, so today we're going to be installing the Pathfinder LED ultra bright sequential turn signals for the front. So first of all, let's have a look at standard. This is the standard on position. Personally, I don't like that. I just think it's out of place with the white headlamps. Let's look at turning left. Right. And hazards. So that's standard. Stock, I should say. Now we're going to start. The process is quite straightforward. You have to take each wing mirror off with the turn signals. Very simply done. There's a fastener under each side which takes this cover off, and then there's two bolts here. This side on mine is slightly different because I've got the traction dynamics camera mount. But on the other side, we just quickly look at it and we can see that this shroud, which connects from underneath here, covers, there's two bolts here, and the mirror will come off the same way. First of all, you can see here, when you take the mirror off, push back this rubber boot and it exposes where the connection is. I found it easiest just to slip a little screwdriver in here just to release this catch here, and here you can see it. There it is. I'm also using a magnetic tray from Harbour Freight to look after my bolts and make sure they don't go walkabout, and just a towel covering here. So what we've got to do now is we take this mirror off and then we take the shroud off so we can get at the light here. So I'll show you that once I get the mirror off and the process to do that. And here is the mirror was on this position. You have to pull it sharply, firmly I should say, from the bottom. There's like you can see there's a bar here which clips onto the bottom of the mirror here. Once that's free, you push it back down, and then these two hooks hook on here. Just maneuver it around to take the mirror off. The next thing we need to do is remove these two screws here. These are only into plastic, but they shouldn't be too tight. There we go. One. Should be able. Oh, there's a little pop rivet in there. Missed that one. I need to do something else somewhere. Yeah, that's got it. Now we should come apart from. Just a simple cover that comes off, two screws there and one push pin there, and you have to make sure that it goes behind when you reassemble. One side. Now this cable here needs to be released. And then we've got one more screw here, which should release the actual light from the shelter. See, I'm doing it on a towel to protect the paintwork. Simply unscrew. This is a different size to the others. Let me just put that to one side. Sorry, there's 2 screws. Sorry, my mistake. There we go. So that's the. Oh, we put that there. And there is the light. So the one comes out through that cable. And we've got one screw, retaining screw there, that holds this stock light in place. And there's the stock Honda light. We just need to take the connector out. Side by side. Right through here. Same position. Screw back in place. Just be careful when you're screwing in, because you're screwing metal into plastic. So don't go crazy. Just snug it up. Just so it's firm. Like that. That's it. It's not going to go nowhere. Put this back together. Very straightforward. Just lays all in place correctly. Just remember the larger screws that you take out, they go at the back, and the little short ones are here. All I've got to do now is just clip this mirror on in place, and then it can go back on the bike. As you want, and now we can put it back on the bike. Very nice. Right. Hazards. Perfect.